long day ahead. I got this urge to be with ya. I just can't wait till tonight. It's really private, I'm sure you like it. The things that go on between you and me. Hope you can keep a secret. We can't let nobody know where. Our chemistry, so hard to contain. It can't be controlled, it's much too wild to be tame. Sit on the low, and I'll do the same. That's not in the day. It's really private. I'm sure you like it. No one needs to see the things that go on between you. You can keep a secret. We can't let nobody know where. I know it's wrong, but keep this out of sight. And show my friend with benefits. Oh no, no, they don't need to know.
Seems like the moonlight gives me some kind of energy. If you wanna feel it, then you know where to find me. But when the sunlight is glowing, you might as well just keep on going. Too many eyes will be open, and they'll be knowing.
So it's better off if we